How to block someone on TikTok iPhone on the new update. So go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store. This is because you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. This is to avoid any possible bug or errors that may happen on your application. So just type in TikTok in here. Make sure that this blue button says open. If it says update, then go ahead and update the application first. After updating, go ahead and open the TikTok application. Once you're in the homepage of TikTok, click on the search icon to find the profile of the user that you want to block. Once you're in their profile, just click on the arrow icon in the upper right corner of the screen and you will see the block icon in here. Tap on that and then confirm on this window, and then the user is now blocked on your profile. So that is how to block someone on TikTok iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.